news about Jesus as scanned to Luke chapter 19 from verse 1 to verse 10. Zacchaeus meet Jesus. Jesus did go through Jericho, which part one man named Zacchaeus did live. Zacchaeus did one of the head tax collector them, and him did well rich. Him did want to see who Jesus be. But through him did so short, and cause the crowd did so big, him couldn't see him. So him run in front of them and climb one tall tree, so him could have see, cause Jesus did walk that way there. When Jesus reached the tree, him look up and said to him, Zacchaeus, come down now. Me have to turn your yard today. So Zacchaeus come down same time and did glad for welcome Jesus in him house. The people see this and they start grumble. Him gone go turn a one cinnamon yard. Zacchaeus turn up before everybody and said to the Lord, look, Lord, half of what me have, me go give to the poor. And if me rob nobody, me will pay them back 4 times when me did thief. Jesus said to him, say, today, the family get saved. Cause the man ya, I wanna Abraham pickney too. The man where God pick, come for look for people we lost and save them. A Gad Wod Dis. Thank God